Welcome, good morning, afternoon, evening. I'm happy you had a nice morning, good sleep. First of all, we're going to start on the 7 red marks. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This one is bigger because it's the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made it bigger because when this side is standing on here, the equatorial pole is now pushing this side to here, bringing these two sides together. CBD, because it is the left, it is the right, it is the center, above CBC. Okay, creation of the B world. Why do we do it this way? Because the B world shows the open. And since it's in the center, it doesn't need to show 1 because it is 1 already inside the center, brought by the above and the below, which need to show the B and B on each side because they are not the center. 3, 2, 3, CBC. This one is 4, 3, 2, showing they have the top row and the bottom row included. Therefore, you have 4. On a clock, just to jump around, and this is would be the 7 red parts of the flag. In between 2 whites, 1 white here, 1 white here, 1 red there. That's the way it works in life, the white, the red, and then you can add the blue world, which is outside to the left or the right, and that would make the flag. What would bring into the blue world would be the air and the water. Anyways, regardless, and forget about that. The time clock, 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock together says 121, which is another way of saying 9/11 or Venus. After that, it says 212 as 12 o'clock goes over to 1 and 2 o'clock, which says a 10-10 world, which is between BA and B. Baba. Okay. ABC is because the 0 is the round. 1 equals to the division of the round of 2 sides. Since it has 2 sides, it is 2. But since it has 2 sides in the center, it's 2 and 1 of 2 sides. And 2 and 1 of 2 sides giving 2. And 1 is 3. Now, between 2 and 2 sides, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We now have 5. Then, in the reason for 6, we have here, here, and here. Here, here, and here is 6, plus the center, which makes 7. Or here, here, and here, 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 and here, and the center would make 7. If we fill in all the outsides, we have 8 plus 1 is 9. That's your circle. That's on your time. The last part is the reason why 2 numbers that are less than an actual number. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. It's the only 2 times it becomes more. It's when it's multiplied or multiplied by 1 or 0. When we play the numbers in the time clock, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we take out the extremity. We take out the extremity. Above and below 3 is 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 if you actually look at 6 and 6, or 7 and 5. 4 and 1, 2 and 5, 5 and 2. Or in here it's 2. In this one over here, this one gets 6. This becomes 7 and 2 in this area actual over here. So we eliminate the first area and we eliminate the last area. Okay? We're going to do this further on because we're not playing with 1 clock. Therefore, there's more than these numbers. But playing in this area, you're playing with 4, 5, divided by 6, divided by 6, 7, and 8. 4 by 5, 4 plus 5 is 29, plus 45 is 74. That is the Christ. 71 and 79 is 149. That is the spirit of Pluto. That is you. It's the it system that goes inside of you. This is 100. This is 100. If it was only added, it'd be 109. Plus 15 equals 6 is 115, which is the key. 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. This is your red October. This is the IT system. If you total them together, it equals to 123. Can you get any closer to ABC? 29. The other way, this is the way to get to 29. This is the way to get to 71. When you recalculate it together, 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 and 2 is 11. 8 and 11 are on the center world. They show you again this world, if you didn't follow me from the start. Is there anything else in here I wanted to show? Although this is coming up in my next video, or in my last video, this says ISIS. 3, 1, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, cross 3, whichever way you want to look E. 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 5, 3. Right? Electric company, it says all the way. CIC. 3 and 9 is 12, and 3 is 15, says the egg. Anyways, a short little video showing about that. And then I forgot to mention in the last video that when we separate the two sides as B and B, which is because it's B and B, they become D and D, right? The center 0, which is the passage of B and B, says Bob. The two sides of the pass. Bob. Bob is surely right. Raphael. 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Sorry for the malformation of my dress.